is the Good Cherry here, and today we are going to be playing the cutest game ever, Nyan Cat Lost in Space. There we go. Alright, I hope you guys can hear it. Let's see. This is amazing. Alright, so let's go. How about the classic, just so you guys can see nothing like this. So basically, there isn't much of a point to this, except, oh yeah, I'm dancing to the music. If I had a face cam, you guys would see this. Oh, come on, what? Oh, darn it, I got the gold Nyan. Oh, nice. And there are like different levels. You can upgrade your Nyan cat. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys something that you may or may not love. I don't know. Let's see. I wonder if I could get a face cam on air show. Boing. Oh, no. I don't even know what UFO attack does. I got crud. And some of the power-ups, they're like really bad. Oh my gosh. Some of the power-ups, they're really bad. Like, there's Ghost Nyan. Oh, no, darn it. Alright. There's Ghost Nyan and stuff. I really don't like it. So these are my objectives. Boom. I don't know. Pat the cat. Throw him the green gem. Alright, his energy bar is maxed. Or his happiness bar. So, let's get him real fat. I put a lot of milk before this video. There we go. So, let's go. We'll try Universe now. So, this one, you have to supercharge your flux battery. Well, you have to charge your flux battery in order to go to the next universe. And I think somewhere in here there's a Star Wars one. So I'm looking forward to that. Oh, I already failed. That's nice. Let's go again. Super Nyan. I love how I have this rainbow coming out of my butt. So you have a certain time to get to each destination, and sometimes the time just trolls you so badly. Like you have 30 seconds to supercharge it. There we go, and I'm going. Here, to Universe. This is Santa's work. No, this is where Santa keeps. And a lot of these things, it seems like they don't want copyright. So basically what they do is, they change, everything to a Nyan face. Well, at least most of the things. Gosh darn it, dog. What? You guys saw that, right? The dog was floating. This is amazing. And it can also troll you like that, where it throws you off the edge right off the bat. Nyan. And Nyan Cat can also say things. And the max you could do is double jump, and this game is so slow. And if you look in the top, right corner? Yeah, top right corner, you can see how far I've gone in this one, and you could also see my multiplier. And yes, you heard rock music, that's Attack Nyan. Alright, let's see. Alright, my flux battery is charged, so let's get out of this dump. Oh no, this isn't the Star Wars universe. I'm trying to show that one to you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. And there's attack Nyan mode, which you guys probably saw before, which basically you still get the meow meow meows, alright, except when you get the super Nyan power up, it's actually Darth Nyan. So it's awesome. No. You see, this is one of those troll ones where now, for a certain amount of time, I can't get freaking anything. Oh, good. Thank Lord. Adrenaline. Nyan ever! Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright, good. Oh, goodness. My flux battery. Alright, come on. I'm gonna fail. No. I blew up. My flux battery. It blew up. Houston, we have a problem. Oh gosh, not this. Yeah. I jumped to the next universe in the last 15 seconds. Are you joking me? Ooh, that's great. No, I discovered 5 universes. Let's play Nyan Wings. I think. Bye. Oh, so this is one. Whee! Wah. This is one that I'm not good at all. Like, I'm not good at timing it. At all. Whoa. Come on. I've played this game before. I've played the actual version of this game. Here, this means I'm going to a new area. There we go. I'm in Planet 2. Yeah. Wow, that sucked. No, attack Nyan's getting closer. Yeah. Whee. I can't do it. I'm so horrible at this. And in the top left corner, you can see that there's a little arrows that shows my speed. So right now, I'm going the slowest speed possible in this game. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see that I'm losing. And now. Whee! Whee! Is that a multiplier? You guys see that in the top left, the top right? It's a multiplier, right? It says ×3, so it must be a multiplier. Yeah. I'm so bad at this game. I really want to show you guys Darth Nyan, actually. Come on now. Ouch. No. Oh, crud. What? I didn't know attack Nyan could do that. Alright. Let's see. Alright, Zen. So this says there's gonna be more platforms, and no kidding, and less bombs to help me get my Zen on, whatever a Zen is. So yeah. Come on. Jump and jump once more. Jump, attack Nyan. Yeah. And what are these? What are these letters? You might ask. like what are the letters for? They're actually for the word where the coins are, top left. It's actually for a daily word. Ha! I got 2 times multiplier and rocket Nyan. No, doggy. Bad doggy. Boosh! I'm a Pop-Tart cat and I know it. Holy Nyan! Oh, gosh! Oh no, my multiplier! Ha-ha! What is it? Times 56 and counting. Oh, nope, times 2. Long life milk. I don't even woof. Okay. I don't understand what that means. Bye. Come on. I don't know why you have to stay away from the UFOs, especially the UFO attack. Whoa. Nope. Lol. What is that? Oh, I'm big. Oh. Well then. It really lives up to the name. Goodness gracious. Oh no, Houston, we have a problem. Oh gosh. That scared me. I thought I lost when I got small. No, 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 no. Bubble. We. No, no. I honestly don't understand what the point of that is. Gold. Meh. Oh, boop. 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 Oh, I love this game. It's so adorable. Which means it really lives up to the name of the video. Hey, look, I'm almost done with the daily word. I just need a U and an E. 25 times combo. Oh, 25. Oh, you suck. Tack Nyan. More like tack nothing. I'm big. Okay. Nyan power. Nyan glasses. That gave me nothing. B, UFO, candy canes. M. I just need the E for creature. That's a C. I guess I'll take that. Tack Nyan a loser. Oh, well, Tack Nyan's mad now. This is going to be a long video, though, because I am never going to finish. I've collected 40 coins in this one video, in this one thing. This is amazing. Oh, my multiplier, it's just so big. Oh, goodness. Long life milk. Alright. I'm sorry if I'm not talking much. I am just so never mind, I'm not focused at all. Alright. Nobody cares about Pokemon. Well, some people do. But I don't care about the Pokemon ads. Oh, that's so cute. They're so bad at the same time. Alright. My Nyan is level. Alright, let's see. Here we go. The dark side is calling. Yeah, meow, 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 meow. Alright, let's hope I can find a... Yes! Watch. Oh, darn it! Oh, I just renewed it. Well, I'm bad luck. Serious right now. Jeez, man. So rude. Do you see the anti-Nyan just like full? It just makes it really man. Oh, that was my fault. Yeah, I finished the daily word. That's great. Oh. Am I really gonna die? Great. Alright, no! Oh, good. Lord. Ah! Can I at least take that down? Nope. Oh. No. Alright guys, that's all for this time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.